Today we are going to discuss about very important function in Excel that is going to be very useful in real life. We are going to discuss about the if function, which allows us to execute instructions based on some criteria. For example, we want to calculate the grade of a student based on their marks, or we want to calculate the allowances of the employee based on their salary, based on their grades, based on their designations, and so on. So here, the one of the excellent function provided by Excel is if function. As we know, every function in Excel must start with equals button. So let us start now how it works. So first we'll start with equals, then write the name of the function if, open the bracket, then we have to type the condition, then put a comma. If this condition is true, what do you want to do? That you have to write here. If the condition happens to be false, what do you want to do? That you'll have to write here. This ends a simple if. If comes with a complicated if, we can have up to 7 if statements or if functions in one row. So we can solve any complicated problems using this if statement. But we are looking at a very simple if, which has three parts. Number one, condition. Number two, if the condition is true, what do you want to do? Number three, if the condition is false, what do you want to do? Let's take a very simple example. I have a cell A5 which contains a salary of the employee. We want to calculate the HRA as 25% if salary is greater than 30,000. If salary is less than 25,000, we want to calculate just 5% as the HRA. I'll repeat the problem. A5 in my Excel contains salary. I just want to calculate the HRA based on the salary. If the salary is above 30,000, then we want to calculate 25% of the salary as the HRA. If the salary happens to be less than 30,000, we want to calculate 5% of the salary as HRA. Then our if state function looks something like this. Is equal to, we must start a function with equals, then write if, open the bracket. Here it is not case sensitive. You can either write it in small letters or in capital letters. A5, which contains salary greater than 30,000. That means if the salary is greater than 30,000, we want to calculate A5 into 25% as the HRA. Otherwise, A5 into 5% as the HRA. And remember friends, this particular function you're going to write where you want your HRA to be calculated. For example, you want to calculate your HRA in C5. So keep the cell pointer in C5 before giving this if function. So keep the cell pointer in if C5 and type this function is equal to if A5, which contains a salary greater than 30,000, then calculate 25%, otherwise calculate 5%. Friends, this is a very small video which will teach you, which will help you to understand a small if function. We have very complicated if functions also. We can make use of and are logical functions to make a very complicated to solve the very complicated problems also. Thank you, friends.